Welcome back to Miss Eddie's Math Movies, where it's a cute to be a square. Today's lesson is 4.7 Triangle Inequalities. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to order the sides and angles of a triangle. The first theorem, or the first rule we're going to talk about with this, is theorem 4.10. If one side of a triangle is longer than another side, so notice BC is longer than AB, then the angle opposite the longer side is larger than the angle opposite the shorter side. So think about this. If here's the big side, this angle, this opposite angle that opens up to 5, well, this angle has to be larger than an angle that opens up to 3. So A is bigger than C. So you're always looking for opposites. Opposite of 5 is A, opposite of 3 is C, so A must be bigger. Similarly, if one angle is larger than another, so 60 is bigger than 40, then the side opposite the larger angle is longer than the side opposite the smaller angle. So since D is bigger than E, the side that D opens up to is larger than the side that E opens up to. So let's do an example. Name the angles from largest to smallest. Now the angles, right, you could name the sides if you wanted. Everybody can see that this is the smallest, the medium, and the largest, but we want the angles. So since 10 is the longest side, what angle opens up to 10? Well, angle U opens up to 10. So angle U is the largest. Then the next, so that's the largest. 8 is the next largest. Well, what angle opens up to 8? V opens up to 8. So V is in the middle, and the smallest angle opens up to the smallest side, which is 4. So that would be T. So just make sure you're aware of what they're asking. Now we're going to put the sides in order from the longest side. All right, if I want to find the longest side is opposite the longest or largest angle. So the largest angle here is 86, and 86 opens up to DF. So DF is the longest side. Now our medium angle is 57, and 57 opens up to EF, right? That's its opposite. And angle F is the smallest, so that means the opposite side is the smallest. DE is the shortest side. All right, the follow-up says, which theorem is used in example 1? Well, in example 1, we put the angles in order. So notice this theorem talks about the angles being in order. This one talks about the sides being in order. So for this question, we used theorem 4.10, and here we used 4.11. All right, the checkpoints, you have to name the angles here from largest to smallest. So I'll do this one for you. The largest angle opens up to the largest side. So angle N is the largest. Then here's the next largest side, and L opens up to that. So then L, and that leaves M as the smallest. Now you do those two. Now we have to put the sides in order. Well, I see 100 as the largest angle, so 100 opens up to which side? To GH. That's the longest side. Then 45 is the next largest, so that's G, J, G. And 35 opens up to the smallest side, which is J, H. Go ahead and finish that. Now, this, we're going to kind of summarize this easily. You did an activity where you had to make triangles, and the bottom line was in a triangle, A plus B has to be larger than C. Just write that, circle that, star that, highlight it. That's the bottom line. In any triangle, A plus B has to be larger than C, and C is the longest side. So let's apply that right here. Can these lengths form a triangle? And you can kind of see, this is what we did in class. If you've got 3, 5, and 9, well, here's 9, here's 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are never going to meet each other. No matter where we move 5 and 3, they're never going to meet each other because this isn't true. Is 3 plus 5 bigger than 9? No. 3 plus 5 is smaller than 9. So this doesn't work. This is not a triangle. Here, 3, 5, and 8. Well, so we need 3 plus 5 to be bigger than 8. Is 3 plus 5 bigger than 8? No. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Once again, these are never going to touch. The only place they'll touch is right down here, which is not a triangle then, that's just a line. But 3, 5, and 7 will meet. They will make a triangle because 3 plus 5 is larger than 7. So this is yes. So that's all you have to check. Is A plus B larger than C? Alright, so you need to check. Is A plus B larger than C? Do this now. So your answers are yes or no. And you must show your work. This is M Cubed, signing out.